Hello all. Hope you're doing well. So welcome back to the next topic of our InfyTQ written test. So I'm Tipu Sultan Qureshi. I'm here to tell you about the new topic of the day, which is InfyTQ. So the topic name is Mixtures and Allegations. Yes, my dear friends, it is one of the easiest topics and which is easy to score. But what are the important aspects we consider in this? That is what we're going to see. So, my dear friends, we have plenty of methods, plenty of principles to follow for the questions on mixtures and allocations. But what I would like to tell you is, if you just crack the simple logic of mixtures and alligations, you may not need more than 1 minute of your time. You want to see how it is? Yes, I quickly get into the concept, mixtures and alligations. To understand the concept, let me take you to the understanding of the concept. Yes. So, my dear boys and girls, whoever watching this is a bottle. If you are not sure what it is, yeah, everybody knows what is available in these type of bottles. Yes, it is exactly what you're thinking, which is hydrochloric acid. Oh, you thought water? No, it is not. So what I'm doing is, this is one hydrochloric acid. This is another hydrochloric acid with different different P1 and P2 concentrations. P1 is a concentration of bottle A and P2 is a concentration of bottle B. So what do you mean by concentration? The percentage of pure acid is known as concentration. If somebody is saying 0.3 is a concentration of the acid, which means only 30% is pure acid, the rest 70% is water. This is a meaning of concentration. Please mind it, my dear buddies. Next is P2. What is P2? Yeah, what is P? Concentration of an acid in bottle A. P2 is a concentration of acid in bottle B. Now, what I'm doing is I mix these two acids in a bigger bottle called C. So the concentration is not the same, my dear friends. If you observe carefully, the concentration is definitely not the same. So then what is a new concentration? So let us assume it as P. Now the question arises here. So how to find concentration? To get concentration P, what proportion bottle A should mix with bottle B? That is what the question we have to find out, the questions on mix and allegation. But what I would like to tell you here is, P1 is a concentration of A and B. You don't have to do anything. You just have to write in this manner. So definitely P1 and P2 are the lowest and highest. If not, write it in order. This must be lowest, this must be the highest. And P is the resultant concentration in which you have to write it in the middle. Now, so what is a mixture you are supposed to mix? It is P2 minus P minus P minus P1. So this is what the entire concept is all about, my dear friends, which means that P1 is a bottle A proportion, P2 is bottle B proportion. If you mix P2 minus P is to P minus P1 ratio, you will get resultant as P. So if you do not understand this concept, let's see what can be done. So there are two types of apples. One is Simla apple, assume like that. The other one is Hyderabad apple, which is impossible, but still I'm writing because of the Hyderabad effect, right? So Simla apple cost 25 rupees kilogram and Hyderabad cost 32 rupees kilogram, right? So I mixed these two in a proper proportion, which I do not know. The resultant price of the mixture is, I said, 28 rupees. So to get 28 rupees as a 1 kilogram mixture, what proportion these two to be mixed? That is what the question is. The simplest way, you have nothing to do here. 32 minus 28, which is 4, is to 25 minus 28 minus 3. 28 minus 25, 3. So which means that 4 parts of Simla apple should mix with 3 parts of Hyderabad apple to get a price of 22. I hope everybody got this. So this is what the brief idea about mixtures and allegations, but you must have an idea about ratio proportion and equations to solve the questions on mixtures and allegations. Just go through this concept, you'll feel a lot better on this. If you want a proof on this, I can do it if you request in the comments, right? So I'm just moving forward with a couple of questions. For that, I must share the screen. Yeah. Right. So question number 1. I hope everybody can see this. So question number 1. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio of 9:4. On adding 4 liters of water, the ratio of the milk to water becomes 3:2. Find the quantity of original mixture. This can be done in 2 ways, my dear friends, but I would like to take you the simplest way possible. Just check out carefully. Now, the first way is right. So now this question. So my dear buddies, so a mixture contains milk and water in the ratio of 9:4, and adding 4 liters of water, it becomes so and so. Now I would like to tell you, as I promised, I'll make it very simple for you. Just check out. So when a mixture contains water and milk, this is India, my dear friends. You must assume the mixture definitely contains milk and water, but in high proportion. This is giving in a less proportion. Let it be. So 9:4. So as you know, milk is to water is equals to 9:4. So milk should be 9K or 9X. How about water, buddies? 4X. Am I right? So this is the actual quantity of milk and water in the mixture. That is how it goes. Now what he's saying is, on adding 4 liters of water, the ratio of milk to water becomes 3:2, which means that he is not adding any milk, he is adding just water. Right now, so 9x is to 4x plus 4, because we are adding water to this. The new ratio is 3:2. So it's quite simple, guys. If you check out carefully, you have to find x value, nothing else there. So 18x is equals to 12x plus 12. Am I right? Good. So this becomes 6x is equals to 12, x is equals to 2. When x is 2, milk is 18, water is 8. So what is asking? Find the quantity of original mixture. Quantity of original mixture is milk plus water. Yes, which is 18 plus 8 is equals to 26. So I hope everybody is clear with the solution. This is how you are supposed to solve these questions. So I'm assuming it is clear to you. We're moving down to the next question, guys. Yes. So this is one of the difficult models in mixtures and allegations. Believe me, if you can crack this, you can crack any question on mixtures and allegation. That's my assurance, buddies. But how do you crack it? How do you look at it? First, so just read the question carefully. The contents of 2 vessels containing water and milk are in the ratio 3:4 and 5:4, or mixed in the ratio 1:4. The resulting mixture will have water and milk in the ratio, which means that there are 2 vessels, A and B. In this, water to milk is 3:4, and here water to milk is 5:4. This is perfect Indian. So now these two, because water is more than, no, milk is more than water in this, but water quantity is more than milk in this, right? So this 2 is mixed in 1:4, which means 1 part of this, 4 parts of this. So for these type of questions, my dear friends, what are you supposed to do is, first, A, 3 plus 4, which is 7 parts. I'm assuming it has 7 parts. B, 5 plus 4, 20 parts. Oh, sorry, 9 parts. It's not 5 into 4. Pardon me. So take this LCM of 7 and 9. So LCM of 7 comma 9 is equals to 63. So I'm assuming it has LCM as 63 liters. Now we'll just break down A's value. 3 parts of A is water. So 3 by 7 of 63, I'm assuming total is 63, right? How much it is? 27 liters is water. How about B's water? 5 by 9, total parts is 9. How did you get 7 here? 3 plus 4. Total parts here, 5 plus 4, 9 into 63. So how much you get, my dear friends? 35 liters is water in B. Now, in the same fashion, milk. Milk is 4 by 7 into 63 is equals to 36 liters is milk in B. How much boys? How much, boys and girls? It's 4 by 9 into 63, which is 28 liters. This is milk. Absolute cool. Now, so these are the quantities. What's happening? 1 is to 4 liters. 1 is to 4, which means A part is mixed in 1 proportion, next fellow B part is mixed in 4 proportion. So how much you get? So A is 27 liters. I'm talking about water plus 35 into 4 parts it is. Obviously, yes. Is 2, I'm talking about milk, which is 36 plus 28 into 4 parts. This is your answer, guys. So 35 4s are 140 plus 27, 167 is 2. This is 112. 112 plus 36, 148. So the ratio is 167.